Changing inks in the Canon Pro 1000s. I know that it needs ink because when I zero in here with new notice, it is flashing not flashing, but just showing an exclamation point by the photo black, as well as this, which is a glossy coat. So I'm going to change the photo black first. Very, very simple, unlike other printers. Just pull the cupboard lid down. I have a package of photo black here. Notice how many different colors this machine takes. Filling one of these cannons with all the ink costs $700, $699 in tax. So we go through, we've got our magenta, our red, our cyan, our photo glossy, our matte, our photo black, blue, this is that gloss, I think it's gloss, gray, yellow, magenta, and primary cyan. So I'm changing the photo black, push, comes out, open your new package, hopefully, may use teeth, push in, close. It will take a while to process, telling you that you used a good ink. Say OK. Still wants the CO. Before I do that, I'm going to take all my trash here and throw it over here into the recycling bin. Now I'm going to go back over to the locker. Grab this Canon ink box, $700 right here, $699 and tax. Printing is expensive. So, hopefully I don't need scissors. It's like a unbox reveal. Ooh, what's in here? What could it be? There are scissors in the locker, which I should have grabbed because I'm breaking a fingernail. So the other thing I need is the CO gloss. So you have to go through the entire box. So we don't need blue. Here it is, CO. Do the same thing. Open it up. CO. Try and open this again. Pop it in, close it up, processing, okay, and now it's good to go. That's how you change inks in the Canon.